guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am wearing the same outfit as I did in my Ipsy Ultimate and Glam Bag Plus. Which one works for you? But this is our Ipsy Glam bag for the month. This is now $12. This is not how it usually comes. It does usually come in the little mailer bag. I have a problem with add-ons. That's why mine's in a box. So, this has went up to $12. And you get 5 to 6 sample size products, sometimes full size products. So, everything got a makeover with Ipsy. These are the new boxes. I can't show you the mailer because I overspent and didn't get one. But you open it, discover yourself the orange foam that was in our Ultimate and our Plus, and inside is all of our goodies. So, I will of course start with my add-ons as always. And I'm super excited about the bag in this box. This month, Ipsy did collab with Betty Boop. I know that a lot of people are upset with Ipsy this month. If you haven't seen my live, I am going to be doing a live as soon as I get done with this video and talking about Ipsy. If you didn't make it or haven't seen it, please do go back and check out that video and comment and leave me your thoughts on it. So for my first add-on, I added on the E25 Blending Sigma brush. Simply because I did not have any Sigma brushes, and everybody knows my brushes and my problem. So, I got 2. Because I'm not always up for cleaning brushes. It's a horrible job. Nobody wants to do it. It has to be done, but nobody wants to do it. And then I got the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. Mine was almost empty for $12. We've got plenty of backup. This retails for $15 on Pixie's website. These were $12 a piece. I didn't pay any shipping on this, so in my mind it worked. Then we got the Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette. I have wanted this palette since Ipsy Glam Plus came out, and I was not a member yet. I am now, and I finally do have it. So I'm super excited about that. And then my last add-on was the What's the Tea by the Balm palette. Now, we got the Balm palette in our Ipsy Plus a while back, and I have enjoyed that palette. I enjoy the Balm's products. Their eyeshadows are amazing. And this is the palette that has the neutral and black primers in it. It does come with a lid. It does come with a mirror. And then you have your neutral eyelid primer and your black eyelid primer. When you use them, you can see the different shades that it creates. So, I'm stoked about using this palette and seeing what kind of looks I can come up with. It is a very pretty palette. There you go. I was like, man, that pink looks horrible, but if I hold it back, you can actually see it. So, I am super excited about it. I think it's just adorable. So, those were my add-ons. I did go a little overboard this month, but I tend to do that quite a bit. And that's something I love about Ipsy. The add-on features. If you want something in there that is an option for you to buy, you can't beat $12 and you can't beat $3. I mean, you just can't. Anyway, let's get into our Ipsy October 2019 Glam Bag. This is the bag this month. I think it is beyond adorable. It's got the little sequins in the back and the little bee pulley. So, this was the first month that we got to customize a product for our subscription boxes or bags, whichever you get. I will start with the item that I chose. I chose the Betty Boop times Ipsy Satin Lipstick in Mauve It Baby. It is wrapped up in plastic. Ow. So we will unwrap that so that I can show it to you and see it for myself. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is the color of it. That is a pretty fall color. That is what that looks like. Oh, and it smells, it's got like a coconut smell to it, so that's nice. I like that. Then we had the Aphrodite Skincare Olive Oil Deep Conditioning, Deep Cleansing Face Mask. Uses ingredients that are natural, effective, and feel good on your skin, made with olive oil that's rich in vitamins A and E. This mask helps hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. Plus, its antibacterial properties help fight acne. So this will be very good for Samantha. She does get breakouts. She does have sensitive skin. So I'm super happy to get that. The next thing is the Hemp's Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. It's a lightweight formula, gives your skin hydrated and soft, and doesn't feel the least bit greasy. It's made with apple fruit extract, which is loaded with vitamin C to give your skin a radiant glow. Plus, the peach and grapefruit scent smells so light and refreshing, we can't stop sniffing it. So I do like this lotion company. I have the watermelon cucumber, I'm wanting to say. Big bottle beside my bed. I love the smell of it. My husband hates it. But I will definitely give this a try. So yeah, a lotion. Then we got the Boutique Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm in Mauve Liche. I don't know. This brand is all about the good stuff and none of the bad. Offers gorgeous plant-based products that naturally nourish, protect, and strengthen skin. It's a multitasking creamy balm. Delivers a flush of pink to cheeks or lips. So like I've said, I do not use cream blushes. But I will definitely try this out on my lips as soon as I get in here and see what color it is. Alright. So there is the color of it. It feels like not my favorite. So it is a very light color. There's no smell, but there's what that color looks like. It is this one. So I will definitely try that out. Who knows? It may become a favorite, and it may get decluttered. That's the way it is around here. So, that's alright. Then our last product was the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream with SPF 50 in medium. IT Cosmetics combines problem-solving products with cutting-edge technology. This healthy, rebuildable... I cannot talk today. Words just are out there. This healthy, buildable CC Plus cream protects with SPF 50, evens out your complexion, and helps calm redness with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins. And I did get it in the shade medium. Now, I'm wanting to see if this is something I already have, because I believe it is. the struggle is real. Okay. Now I have the Bye Bye foundation. So I will keep this and I will try it out and let you know. It's got to be a teeny tiny sample, right? Yeah. Okay, well, there's what that looks like. There's probably 2 or 3 uses in there, but that's alright. So we got a CC cream, a lip and cheek balm, the lotion, the face mask, the olive oil face mask, and the lipstick, plus our cute little bag in our Ipsy Glam bag this month for $12. If I didn't mention that, this used to be a $10 bag. It did go up to $12 starting this month, I believe. And they guarantee you $50 worth of product. So I am very happy about that. I will definitely use everything that I received. If not, Samantha will. So it all balances out. And if neither of us, it will sit there until one of y'all win it. So comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts were. What you got in your bag. Are we twins this month? Are you keeping everything you got? Did you like it? Are you going to use it? Are you going to declutter it? Are you going to throw it away? Let me know something. I love to hear from y'all. So, as always, you know the drill. Please do like, share, and subscribe. It really does help this channel out. Let me know your thoughts. And until next time, as always, you stay beautiful. Bye.